One tried and true way of reducing costs on a road trip is to use the grocery store as a pit stop. Grocery stores are great pit stop locations. They have a restroom, they have food. It's easy more often than not to find some coffee, such as a Starbucks located inside. They might even have a bank, and they're generally close to gasoline. We often use Costco as a road trip stop because our party is large enough that we can get a food tray and it fits our needs. But that may not be you. But either way, you can typically get what you need at less cost and better nutrition at a grocery store. And if you bring a small cooler, you'll be able to take that with you and use it for the future events. That's not the case with a pizza or other eatery. The boxes that food is contained in isn't really made for keeping the food cool or hot, and it isn't made to keep the food safely in long trips. So using a grocery store and having your own small cooler, that is definitely a way to go to reduce cost. One last thing to consider is that grocery stores often are willing to receive government support spending such as SNAP or other kinds of government coupons. So if you have and food stamps, so if that's something you have, well, you can get your food at a grocery store without having to spend money at an eatery.